Navigating the world of RF technologies and staying on top of the latest advancements can be a complex and time-consuming journey. That's why we are thrilled to introduce the RF Expert Centre, a dedicated platform crafted exclusively for healthcare professionals like you. Explore a world of knowledge with curated insights on common RF indications and clinical guidance for various procedures. The extensive resources include clinical compendium, case study summaries, and marketing materials, providing insights into successful RF applications and real-world scenarios, as well as an RF e-health tool to support patient referral and selection for precise care in chronic pain cases. Immerse yourself in Educare, the Boston Scientific Educational Resource Hub, featuring videos such as Advanced Masterclass RF for knee pain and RF thalamotomy for movement disorders, learning directly from experts in the field. Join a peer community that shares your passion for shaping the future of pain management and treatment. Whether you're seeking educational videos, product information, or clinical insights, explore a world of knowledge with the RF Expert Centre.